us. We are grateful for the time given to us with you, thankful for all that you gave us and taught us, from building houses to building friendships, how to excel in all that we do and yet stay humble. To the very end, you showed us how to be strong, but also how to be vulnerable to those you love. Above all else, you taught us that the family you are given and the family you choose is what makes life worth living. You may be gone, but you shall never be forgotten, and we will love you forever. Because of protocol also, I'll introduce the siblings, if possible, okay? So I will start with my eldest sister, Dr. Edna. You can just do that. All over, let's just all come to the front here. All come. Oh. It is a long line. Austin, where's Austin? Huh? Austin Ogari. Okay. Shall start with my big little sister, Dr. Edna. She survived of the late Daddy, a very good man, who fortunately there was enough time to produce the great ones. We have Michelle, Gabby, Nathan. Those are the grandchildren. Next, we have my sister, Christine Kerubo, and her husband, Victor Lumumba. We have two of the other grandchildren. This is Bitutu and Tichi. Next, we have my brother, Advocate Constantine. After that, we have, it's not here, Austin Ogari. Then we have Aidan Ogari. Then we have the baby of the family, Tita Ogari. Bwana MC, due to protocol, I believe that the sibling should be introduced by my aunt as she does her tribute.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to introduce Honorable Ogari's siblings. Can you please all come up here, starting with Father Chris, please? Oh, you don't want to come down. Okay, but you can stand up. Yeah, Father Chris is our eldest brother in the family. Mheshimiwa follows him. And is Eric here? Eric, please. Can somebody call Eric wherever you see him? Eric. Anyway. I follow Mheshimiwa. I'm waiting for our better halves. Please come up. They're all out. Kila mtu akae na mtu wake, please. I don't have mine. Go call him. Now what do you want me to do? Priscilla is showing. Please, can somebody call Mr. Misha Kangari somewhere? And who else doesn't have? And Kiriago, George, and Eric. Godfrey Kiriago, please. I don't know whether I should introduce those who are here, but let's wait. Just give them a few minutes. Please, wherever they are, ask them to come in. Now is mine missing. Okay, my name is Dr. Rosingare. I follow Mheshimiwa, Toka Nitoke, and this is my husband. You can say his name, and then we go like that very quickly. I just want to let you know we were 10 in the family. That is 5 girls, 5 boys, but now we are 6. So you can see how many have gone, and pray for us. Thank you for coming.
Wapenzi marafiki wa Simon, amjambo. Simon was a wonderful man. Nikiangalia hivi, mimi naona Simon, wherever he is now, he is here. He's happy. Simon, God anasema you have a limit. Aliniambia niseme jina peke yake, but let me tell you a limit, because mimi na yeye ndio wakubwa wa hawa. Life has a limit. Ukienda ukifika huko, that is it. He fought, he has won the war. Ako hapa, tutamfuata wengi. Mungu aweke mahali pake uko pahali anaenda, atuongojee. Mungu awabariki nyinyi nyote. Thank you very much. Mulikuwa mmeambiwa I'm the husband. So my name is the husband, Meshak Ngare Ondieki.
I want to introduce my next my follower, Regina. She will say her name and then her husband. Just her name, please.
My name. My name is Regina Ogari Mogeni. Mogeni is this one.
And I'm married to Regina. My name is Jacob Mogeni. May his soul rest in peace. A wonderful man.
Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. My name is Anunziata Ogari Kiriago.
And I'm the husband. My name is Godfrey Kiriago. Natoka Nyamira. Na wale mlikuja kutuomboleza kutoka Nyamira, murudi salama tukimaliza eneo na muenda zake alale pema peponi. Asante.
My name is Gladys Ogari Nyauma.
And I'm the husband, Jared Nyauma Nyakoe from Kibirigo Nyamira. Thank you all for coming to comfort us.
Thank you all for coming. My name is Eric Ogari. I'm the last born of this home. And this is my wife.
Shamim Dean Ogari.
Thank you.
Before we leave, we have children. Children, please, all our children stand up. All our children stand up. What? I introduced him, he didn't want to come down. And he saluted you people. I introduced him first as the firstborn of this family. These are our children. You can face backwards and say hi to them. Those children are all nieces and nephews of Simon, and they all loved him as their father. If there was time, one of them could talk on their behalf. So I just want to read, I was told to read a tribute. I don't know, I can read a tribute for each one of these people. Have a tribute, and you can see it in the program. I will just summarize that we all loved our brother. For you, he was a member of parliament. For you, he was a friend. But for us, he was a dear brother who loved us so much. And each one of these people standing here, he had a hand in either our education, our well-being. He considered everybody, he cared for everybody in this family, plus his nieces and children and grandchildren and everybody else. And he was always concerned to make sure everybody's happy. And I will summarize what they have all said. They loved him, but as the saying goes, God loved him most, and he has taken him. And we thank you so much for coming to condole with us. Keep us in your prayers all the time. It's difficult. Today you are here. We feel the warmth. When you leave, we shall feel the emptiness that our brother has left behind. May God bless you all. And please come again and console us whenever you have time. Thank you so much.
Abana baminto, what do you say? Biamuno. Erorukamano. My name is Victor Lumumba, and there is a choir of the husband. I'll also join that choir. I'm also the husband of Honorable Simon Ogari's daughter, called Christine. Well, she changed the name from Ogari to Lumumba. You know, when you cross over, unakuja na vitu zako zote and you embrace us. Well, Honorable Simon Ogari was blessed to have had 2 daughters who are married. One of them left us very many years ago, Dedi Maganga, that is Dr. Edna's husband. Sasa mimi ndio niko. And just to summarize what us son-in-laws would have said, because Dedi tulikuwa tunatoka, wanasema tuko broad-based government, si ndio? Broad-based government, si ndio? Tunatoka huko upande ya baba. So na when we were dating our wives, we were told there was a very stern warning that when they cross over the mountains to come down to the lake, kutakuwa na repercussions. But I think they were very defiant and they decided to embrace us as we are. My name is Victor Lumumba. I work at the judiciary. I will just summarize what our son-in-law would have said to our late dad. One thing I'll say 3 things. One thing I want to say is that Honorable, we never called him Honorable. Sorry, for you guys, you called him Honorable. For us, he was Dad. And the reason he was Dad to us was he never differentiated between myself, Daddy, Tony, or Stan. We were all his sons. And he embraced us as we came. That is number 1. He never called us son-in-laws. He used to call us sons. Number 2, he used to tell us that we should find every opportunity to gather as family. Because for him, family was the most important thing. He was a politician, but family was very important to him. The entire family will tell you that we congregated at his home several times. For any reason, there was a graduation, someone was turning 30, any reason he got, he would call all of us and would host us. So I'm very happy to see that this tent is full. That shows the love that you guys had for your late Mheshimiwa, but for us, he was only Dad. Thank you very much for being with us, and God bless you all. Asanteni sana, Bwana MC.
Thank you. Kwa niaba ya yeyo familia, tunasema pole, na kwa hayo yote, tunaendelea mbele. So I want to, kwa program ambayo inafuata, nataka kumwalika padri, ndio aweze kutu, Mheshimiwa